Here's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.